What's up, guys? Today we got a pretty cool video. It's kind of an odd problem that we run across, and we want to show you guys about it. It's in a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado, so you guys come take a look and see what's wrong with these brakes. Come on. All right, guys, you can see this is a 2005 Chevrolet. The customer brought it in and it was boiling smoke out of the front brakes on this thing. And when I say boiling smoke, like extreme smoking. So we've already changed the calipers, the rotors, and the pads. And you can see the rotors, how hot they got. So we got both sides fixed, new calipers, new rotors, new pads. So it's trying to dive down into what's causing these brakes to hang. So we pulled the master cylinder off and it's leaking and it's filling up the brake booster. You guys can see down in there, they shake the vehicle. You can see the fluid sloshing back and forth in the booster. All right, guys, here's the brake booster that was on the truck, and you can see it's got a lot of fluid that's in it. So that leaking has filled that up, causing pressure to hold our brakes together. So we're going to get a new master cylinder, a new booster, and get put on here, and she should be good to go. If you guys run across something on a 2005 or similar year model Chevrolet, there may be your culprit, and that's what's causing your brakes to hang. Anyway, guys, like always, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button, cause why, Bill?
Totally free.
What's it cost them?
$3,000.
We think, Wally.
Don't, it's free. Don't cost you a dime. Cost us though.
It does cost us some money. It costs us money every time we do a video.
Exactly.
All right, guys. Like always, thanks for watching. Send them home, Wally. Y'all get back to work.